Hey, this is Eli, aka Devoted Day Trader. On today's recap, I'm gonna talk about how not having the right entry on DERM cost me the trade. I will also go over my trades on BABA and a last minute desperation trade on 6. Not the greatest day. So let's get to the trades on D. Let me get this. So on DERM, it was in play today because it's a skin treatment company. It's being acquired, or it got acquired for 1.1 billion or 11 billion. One of the two. At any rate, in the open, it started off weak, but then buyers stepped up and engulfed the sellers. I went long here with a stop right below the second bar and the 20 EMA, and my profit target was I went long at 1925. My profit target was at 1965. I was risking 1% of my account in the hopes of getting 2%. So the mistake that I made was I should have waited until it pulled back to the 20 EMA to go long, or I should have went long right here. As soon as the red bar was taken out, I should have went long right here, and I could have easily gotten my 2-to-1 on my entry bar. Anyway, I held through this pullback and this pullback because I thought this pullback was a trap. It was gonna trap shorts. The short entry was right here, and a lot of people went short here, but they were in for a rude awakening because this 20 EMA held, and it made a new high, but it was not enough to get to my target. If I had waited for the 20 EMA, the pull to the 20 EMA and went long here, I could have easily hit my my profit target. But long story short, I got out for a break even once it made a higher high, and the test of this higher high failed and created a lower high, and this red bar was violent. It penetrated the 20 EMA, so I got out for a break even. And then I changed to a short position because I, considering how violent this was, I thought it was gonna test a low of day, so I went short with a stop right here, and my my final target was 1901. It never got to 1901, and I pretty much got out for a break even here. I did make a quick hockey mistake right here, thinking I was getting out for a break even. I added to my position, but once I realized that, I just quickly liquidated my entire position. So this was a break even trade, but it was exhausting being in these two trades because I was watching every bar and analyzing what the buyers and sellers were doing, and this was this was exhausting. This was an exhausting trade. So that was a DERM, and then I traded BABA, and so BABA opened pretty well. The first bar was a red bar, so those who went short right below this red first bar was trapped, and that's why it squeezed the way it did, because a lot of people went short, and they had to cover, and it squeezed, and then I took it long, so it made a new high. It sold off, and then it made this was a low, higher low, the first low, the second low, or the second higher low, and I went long here for a test of high of day because it got above the 20 EMA. But once I lost the 20 EMA, I got out for a loss. So again, I risked 1% of my account. So I risked the 1% of my account here, went and I stopped out. So lost 1% of my account. Then considering how violent this red bar was and how it penetrated the 20 EMA, and this red bar closed on its low, I went short with my stop right above the 20 EMA. It did test my break even, but it did not hit it, and then it dropped. But my target was low of day. I guess I was too optimistic. I failed to realize that now Baba was in a trading range. It was in a trading range and was not gonna penetrate this higher low. So and this is yesterday's high, and this level held once, twice, 3 times, on 4 times. On the 5th time it penetrated it, but it reversed up. This should have been my clue to get out, but I didn't because I wanted to get stopped out, and that's what happened. I got stopped out. For some reason, when I got stopped out, it only stopped me out on half my position, and the other half I had to exit the position manually. And so yeah, so this was a losing trade, and it was exhausting. And last but not least, an act of desperation. Not happy with this last trade. I mean, the Baba trade, in the first trade, I mean, I'm not too upset about them. I mean, it is what it is. I did place the right trades, but it just they did not work out. And then on 6, I saw that it was just surging higher, and I jumped in right here, and I was hoping for it to squeeze higher, and I was gonna the plan was to get out right before the close, and I got out right here for a tiny profit. So these were the trades today. Not happy with today. It was another exhausting day, and yeah, it sucks to end the week. I guess, yeah, I'm break even on the week now since I lost yesterday, and today was also a red day. So a break even week. I'm definitely tired. I'm definitely exhausted. I do not want to do this trading recap, but but I wanted to do it, so I could go over the trades, and those who watch my recaps, you can see the mistakes that I made in my thought process on my trades. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below, and I hope everyone has a good weekend. I will see you guys next week. Peace.